Welcome. In front of me is a Tecno Camon 18, and today I'll show you how you can enable your Do Not Disturb mode. So, to get started, let's pull down our toggles from the top right side of the screen. And then in here you should see somewhere a Do Not Disturb toggle. So let's see if I can quickly find mine. There we go. So Do Not Disturb. As you can see, it's a circle that's just crossed out. Once you see this toggle, you can either tap on it to immediately turn it on with whatever the default settings of it are, or you can hold it and change those settings, which is what I would recommend doing the first time around. So going in here, you can choose who can call you, message you, and what kind of apps can bypass this mode, along with alarms and other interruptions. Then below that you have a schedule, so you can set it up so it automatically turns on and off at a provided time and also day of the week. And then also duration for quick settings, which will allow you to set what happens when you press on the toggle from your notifications. Now, if you're the type of person that tends to forget once you turn it on to turn off something, so for instance you go to a meeting, you turn it on and then you just kind of forget that it's running in the background, I would recommend probably selecting the timed one, so for instance for 1 hour, and then select like for instance 8 hours or something like that. And even when you forget about it, it will turn it off after the set amount of hours that you have selected right here, and you don't have to worry about people basically being silenced and you don't know when someone is trying to reach you. Or you can also select it to ask you every time. So this will give you the two options: timer, so you can select each time a specific amount of hours that you want it to run to, or until you turn it off, so the manual way. And that's basically all the settings in here. So once you have set it up, you can close this, and whenever you want to use your Do Not Disturb mode, simply find the toggle once more, tap on it, and that's it. It's now running. Now if you're planning to use a schedule instead of the manual mode, then just make sure in the schedule you have it checked on right here, like this. Now with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.